Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? Dear students, my name is Shahid Bhatti and you are watching Shahid Bhatti YouTube channel. Before starting the video, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel and share this video to your near and dear ones. Recently, I have uploaded the date sheet of M.Sc Part 1, Part 2, Second Annual 2023 exams, Punjab University. Many students are asking me, sir, whether the date sheet is real or fake. So here is a proof that date sheet is 100% genuine and real. I have downloaded this date sheet from the University of Punjab official website and then I made a video on it and uploaded on my channel. So here you can see the real date sheet. So to see the date sheet on the Punjab University official website, first of all you should open Punjab University official website homepage and then click on examination tab and then click on date sheet. So here you can see at the top of the page the date sheet of M.Sc Part 1 Supplementary Examination 2023 to be held in February-March 2024, and second number date sheet is date sheet M.Sc Part 2 Supplementary Examination 2023 to be held in February-March. If I click on this link, a new tab will open. So click here to download. So here you can see the date sheet of M.Sc Part 1 Second Annual Examination 2023 Punjab University. The exams are starting on 23rd February 2024 Friday. So now it has been clear to you all that date sheet is 100% real. There is no fake date sheet. If you have any problem, do comment in the comment section. I will try to reply that problem. Thank you.